Hi, this is Gail Foster with Century 21 New Millennium, and I am here at 19 Brook Farm Court in Cockeysville. This beautiful home sits on 3.47 acres, and we are having our first look open house this Saturday. I hope that I'll see many of you here for the French country breakfast with mimosas. There's a lot I could tell you about this house, but what I'd like to do is have you just listen. Some of the special features of this home are this 2-story, 3-car garage. The upper level has space for 3 cars, and then there's a lower level that opens out to the grounds in the rear. And there is plenty of space for a workshop, your gardening machinery, mowers, blowers, you name it. As you can see, the entrance is down there. And here's another look of the rear. The deck is just ginormous and is perfect for entertaining and evenings just taking in this beautiful